Meet Boxing Buddy, our smart personal trainer that aims to raise the bar of boxing training worldwide. Boxing Buddy has two fully adjustable padded arms made from durable foam composition, which can be positioned at different heights to target the head, body, or legs. Connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth, Boxing Buddy's smart app controls the arm movements. With multiple program settings, it mimics an opponent striking you at different levels of speed and intensity. The app also keeps track of your progress and gives feedback, allowing you to maximize your workout in real time. Boxing Buddy is portable, lightweight, and easy to assemble and operate, compatible with common punching bags on the market. You can use it anywhere, anytime, even without a punching bag by fitting Boxing Buddy to round objects found outside. The long-lasting rechargeable battery will give you hours of productive workout sessions before needing a recharge. It was designed and engineered using high-quality materials, yet kept at an affordable price. Boxing Buddy improves your self-defense skills, keeps you on the move, and strengthens your legs due to many unnoticeable squats when dodging strikes. Training with Boxing Buddy also sharpens your instincts and quickens your reaction times. Designed to simulate an opponent striking back while you train, Boxing Buddy provides you with a more complete and personalized experience of offense, defense, and footwork training. Get fit and increase your self-defense skills. Boxing Buddy. Now bags can strike back.